Howdy folks, Steve here, KM9G. There is now more ham in your Quadra. The folks over at Inovato have released an updated version with ham apps pre-installed. There is a link over here on how to do an upgrade of the firmware on your Quadra, a video that I did a while back, and there are links in the description down below to that video as well as to the news article that I'm showing you right now, so you can go grab the software in question. So the fine folks over there have realized that a lot of hams have bought the software and a lot of hams are populating the forums with questions and answers and support and feedback and help, and they took it to heart, which is fantastic. A vendor that responds to the needs of hams is an asset to the community. I love it. What comes installed on this now is WSJTX, as you saw in the photo, Pat WinLink, so you can do WinLink messaging, ham clock, JSA call, FLDigi, FLRig, FLMessage, and hamlib, so you can talk to your radio in a variety of different ways. A couple of gotchas right out of the gate. For packet, don't use direwolf or kiss attach. It's a simple single-click launch of the Pat WinLink icon in the ham radio drop-down menu at the top. Remember to change the transport from AX25 to Genzio. I hope that's how you pronounce that. And then every so often, almost every other attempt, it will fail to connect. They've dealt with this by restarting it in the background. Just try to connect again and it will take care of itself. No problem there. RDOP is a single click away and works fantastically. Sometimes it does not stop properly and you will need to open up a terminal and run this command here, kill-9 PID of RDOP-C, and that will kill with extreme prejudice the process called RDOP-C. And couldn't have done all of this without Cal88Q. If you would like to get a Quadra, you can go right to the Quadra homepage, and they are for sale for $34.95, which is cheaper than any Raspberry Pi out there. Performance is slightly better than a Raspberry Pi 3, not as good as a Raspberry Pi 4, but the price makes up for it. If you get the Quadra Plus upgrade kit, it will come with a 4-port USB hub, a USB Wi-Fi adapter, and a Bluetooth adapter. And this adapter works faster than the Wi-Fi adapter that is included inside of the Quadra itself. Definitely worth the upgrade. And if you don't have a 3D printer, they also include the ability for you to get a 3D printed stand. Links in the description down below for all of this. Thanks for being awesome. There is a video right over here I think you'll enjoy next. I'll be over there waiting for you.